Yeah, normally you don't do this with the computer running, but
we decided to do it anyway.
Coppertop wants to get this done. She wants to get the show on the road. That really is pink. My goodness.
I wanted pink.
Look how pink this is. That fan by her hand is pink, believe it or not. It looks white in the camera though. But it's pink. It's laser pink.
There's a little thing on the bottom here as well.
Yeah. That's a dust filter.
And there's a fruit fly.
A fruit fly? Oh no. Kill it. Kill it. We don't want fruit flies in our house.
I think
They're
I got
horrible.
it.
Once they get started. Okay, there we are.
Wait, no, that wasn't a fruit fly.
No? Okay.
That was just a small fly and it crawled onto my finger.
Oh well. Probably bites. Probably a biting fly.
It's just a small black fly. It wasn't a black fly, but like, it's just a small black fly. It couldn't do any harm.
Well, it's right to the back, so I don't really know what that's for. Maybe we could put a twist tie, a zip tie in there because...
No, that's if you want to get it out, you have to go here.
Yeah.
That's the little thing that keeps it on there.
Oh, is it? Okay, all right, there.
Yeah.
I just been informed. Okay, well, there we go. They haven't even seen what it looks like built yet, you know that?
What?
You want to lift it up yourself? Good grief, child. Whoa. Okay, you did it. All right.
Look over here.
Yeah, glass panel. Now, I'm not going to let you lift that glass. I'm going to put it on myself. Yeah. And there's your setup. So you got Linux and Windows 10 on here. And they probably want to look inside. Very plain, simple setup. Very noisy fans.
Dad said that this was a bad cooler and we should get a different one.
Actually, Coppertop said it was a bad cooler right off the bat. As soon as she saw it, she said, I don't like that.
Yeah.
But it was really good for practice. And so, you know, she got to put the thermal paste on and everything. And
But it's not
it was just
good.
a tester.
It's
but
not good.
no, it went from 49 to 55 degrees in idle. With all these fans, you know, no way, man. We have to put a better cooler in, especially if we're going to put in a different graphics card. We're thinking about changing up this graphics card with a higher end graphics card because we found out the CPU is already overclocked. The motherboard came with an overclocked CPU. I didn't know it was a K chip, but you know, as I dug in further, I found out it was an Intel K chip, and I went to overclock it, and found out it was already overclocked.
Dad, are you seeing this? There's little lines.
I know. It's a effect, eh? And it'll be in the video too. It's an odd effect. But lots of pink. Okay, all right.
There's little lines here.
Another
Look.
cut. Another cut. But yeah, it's turning out to be a pretty good little build. It's going to be able to hold its own for sure. All right, another cut. Coppertop wants to put the glass in the computer. You sure you don't want me to get that? We hid it over there.
Got it.
Alright, be careful, just take your time how you walk with that. I told her I didn't want her to do it, but okay. Why don't you turn the computer off? That'd be the proper way to do this. Like, I know we put the side panel on with it on, which was kind of daring and bravado, but let's shut the computer down. Yeah. Okay.
We can put
Be
it
very
on
careful.
and then
All right.
I will take off the plastic.
Yeah, well, it's probably all smudged up and needs to be
Cleaned.
cleaned. Yeah. Maybe we should do that first.
part is okay though.
Or you just want to put it on right now and we can clean it later? Do you want to do that? Because it's been sitting around and gathering dust for some time.
Okay, the back's okay. The front's okay, but it doesn't look okay because the dust gathered on the plastic.
All right, okay, hang on to that glass. Okay. All right. Yeah, be very gentle. Yeah. Okay. All right. All right, where's the screws? Where did we put the screws? Oh no, where's the screws?
Here.
They're someplace.
Probably up.
Yeah. Here, hang on to this camera. I'll go look. All right, I got them. The screws. The screws. Okay, so.
Dad, can you hold the camera?
All right, okay, we trade places. This is another one of our amateur videos. She has to do it herself because it's her build. And
I want to do it myself.
Amateur videos. Yeah. So, a little bit of humor, a little tragedy, a little of everything. We were really on a roll. I mean, you know, Linux installed nicely, and Windows 10 installed without, you know, much of a hitch, and then we found out it didn't want to do a backup for some reason. So I'm just going to do a drive image. Yeah, she wants to do the, I don't know why she wants to call it, but for this, the moment, yeah. Plastic removed. Okay, all right, so.
I like to use this to touch up any dust, even just trying to.
Yeah, it's gonna need some. You should have taken that plastic off right away. That's, anyway, no problem. Still smudgy and needs cleaning, but we can do that later. All right, it's going to be a lot heavier now. It's got glass in it. Okay, careful. All right, well, good enough. All right, let's see. Will it still turn on? Oh yes, it turned on. Okay, let's look.
So good.
It looks so good behind glass.
On the camera it shows blue.
Yeah, I know. So odd, hey? Because it's all pink. It's so pink, guys. It's amazingly pink.
Want to see our lock screen that I put on?
It's pink. She customized the lock screen. Okay, well, we'll take it over to lock screen. There. That's the picture she chose for the lock screen.
Beautiful.
It is pretty. Yeah, it is pretty. I don't know where she found that picture, but...
Just online.
Okay. All right. Good enough? We're all set up for now anyway. It's still like, you know, a good little auxiliary computer, that's for sure. A nice i5, was it 20? i5 2050 or 22, yeah, 22, I can't remember. An i5 2500, yeah, I think that's what it is. An i5 2500. Overclocked to 3.6 gigahertz.
Wasn't it?
Quad core. Good enough for, you know, casual gaming and visitors who need to use the computer
This
as
is
well.
perfect for visitors.
Yeah.
Visitors
Perfect.
will look at this and go,
It's a DIY PC.
can I go on it?
Yeah. Okay, yeah, your friends might definitely want to go on it. Yeah. So, yeah, another build done.
Yahoo!
But this one was done by the Coppertop herself. Absolutely done by her. Everything by her. Even putting the glass in that I said I wasn't going to let her do. But she was careful with it, so why not, right? Okay, all right. Well, thanks for watching. That's it. It's done. The PC is done. This video.
Gamer guest.
Yeah, gamer guest. See?
It wouldn't let us
computer.
do this. It wouldn't let us. We have to pay money.
Yeah, we got to activate. Well, we'll get an activation key for it. Yeah, no problem. Yeah, everything, you know, it wasn't all done at once, you know, but yeah, yeah, we did it. Yay, we did it. Okay, well, I guess that's all. There's our pink keyboard.
Yeah,
All the
it's kind of purple.
You can select other colors for it too, but we're gonna keep it at pink. Anyway, so pink mouse. You know, it's a prototype. It's a knockoff from Mom's computer. Except hers is an actual i7, not an i5, and it's a Haswell.
This isn't a K.
477K. Okay, or 47770K.
Look, we got
Yeah.
the glass on.
All right, thanks for watching.